Now, there's really no reason to pay somebody to change your cabin air filter in a Toyota RAV4. It's super easy to do, and I'll show you how quickly you can do it yourself. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can change the cabin air filter in a Toyota RAV4. This happens to be a 2013, but I believe it'll be the same for 2013 through 2018. Now, the cabin air filter is located right here behind the glove compartment. All you need to do is open this, and then we need to drop this all the way down. And the way to do that is push in on both sides and then let it pull down. We can just let it hang or take it off completely and set it out of the way. All right, now this little plastic piece right here is the cover for the cabin air filter. It's hidden right behind here. And all you need to do is just push this over and lift it out, just like that. Let's pull this one out. Now you can see these pleats are full of debris and leaves and whatnot. Definitely is time to change it out. Now this is the one that I ended up picking up on Amazon. Model number TCF285 is actually a 2-pack. This is the activated carbon one, or activated charcoal. So this is going to eliminate some odors as well. Now here's what a lot of people get wrong. You see right there where it says airflow and it has an arrow pointing down. That's the way that we need to install it because the airflow is down in this one. All we need to do is just slide that in through that same opening. When we put the cover back on, that's what kind of throws people a lot of times because it says up and it has an arrow pointing up. The factory filters had an arrow that pointed up, and if it does say up, put it up. If it says airflow, on this one, the airflow is down. So just line this up, snap it in place like that. Now this one did have a little plastic piece broken off on the side, but it looks like it'll hold and that's gonna work out just fine. All right, and then we can line up these little notches here with the bar. Now it looks like this one also did have a little shock or a little damper on the side, but it looks like it's completely missing. So if you do have that damper, just pull it off of one end if you need to when you drop it down. And then we'll just line this up, press it on both sides, and then you should just be able to push it up. It'll catch at the top, and then close it and you're done. You know, I've heard of dealerships charging as much as $150 or even $200 to change out that cabin air filter, and you saw how quick and easy that was, and the cost of that filter is around $10, so really no reason to pay somebody that much money to do something that you can easily do yourself. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out, and of course I'll get a link in the description to this filter that I used as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.